Hi guys, it's Deborah from Timelessjewelbydebra. I've missed you guys so much. Great trip to Tucson to see my U.S. Air Force son's family before they leave for Japan. It was really good. So I am glad that we got a chance to get out there. So I am opening up a box from Mechanicsburg, PA. This is a ThredUP 15-piece box. And it looks like I marked it for 20 of 23 when I received it. So I am looking forward to seeing what we got in here. If you don't know me, I am Deborah from Timelessjewelbydebra. I live in the western suburbs of the Chicagoland area, and I do live jewelry sales. I also do ThredUP boxes, Goodwill unboxing, and miscellaneous different videos. So, all right, let's see when I ordered this. So I ordered this April 14th. Cost me $54. There is supposed to be 15 pieces of jewelry. All right, look at that. So if you guys haven't seen any of my other videos, Mechanicsburg has not been putting them in bags, and look at, you can see there's jewelry all under there. So if hopefully there's 15 pieces, but you can kind of see that there might not be. All right, well, let's pull them out. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Hey, wow, maybe. We might have gotten 16 pieces. So what I'm going to do is take everything out, and we go through each piece by piece, and I'll give you a price. And if you are interested in the item, I will put the price either in the video, or I will say the price as we go along. So, and if you would like to purchase, you can email me at timelessjewelbydebra@gmail.com. All the information is right down there in the description box with the information that I would need. And I do a sold list. So after you email, if you wanted an item, I don't put your name on the sold list. I just put the item so others know that that item has been spoken for. So, all right, I am going to take everything out, and we are going to go through. See ya in 1 second. Alrighty, so we have everything laid out. There's some really nice pieces in here. Excuse me. I am all clogged up here. It is definitely a season here for lots of allergies. All right, so the first item we had is a Marie Chavez in the box. It looks like it's a brass tone Tree of Life necklace. I did see a few of these like on Etsy. It's super pretty. It's 18 inches. We can do, let's do this Tree of Life necklace for 10. This I love, you guys. This is great. So this is a Belart, B-E-L-A-R-T. It is a resin with flowers inside. And this one happens to be April Daisy. And I took it out of the little box here. So April Daisy, cheerfulness and elegance. And it tells you, this is a quote by Emily Dickinson. And here it is, Belart out of Vermont. Super pretty. I love this. I thought it was just a wonderful addition to any spring or summer outfit. For the Belart, let's do 15. It's gorgeous. All right, so then we've got a Tassel Alert Bauble Bar. This is really heavy, so it's green and metal tassels with like a chunk style chain here. Here is the back. Let me show that to you. And it does have an extension. So it is 18 inches plus the extension. It is pretty. I like that color green. I guess I would kind of call it a Kelly green, maybe. For the bauble bar tassel necklace, let's do 8. All right, then we got a costume necklace. It's silver tone with like a magenta acrylic in there. There is some wear, so we're just gonna do this in craft for $1. Moving along, so then we have a J. Crew. I believe all the stones are there. Let me double check. Looks like all the stones are there. So there are 5 different medallions and a flower design. Here is the back. It is got a tiny bit of wear on the chains and on the clasp here. It is marked right there, J. Crew. It is 18 inches long with an extender. Super pretty. Let's do this J. Crew for 15. All right. Love this. So we've got a piece of Coach. So this is a floating enamel heart. It's gold tone and an off-white. Then we've got CZs there. I can't tell if all the CZs are there or not. Let me grab my loop and give it another check here. I'm going to pull that off. Okay, this size has all of it. Okay, it looks like all of the CZs are there. You can check that out. It does have its Coach hang tag. Super pretty. There we go. Lovely piece. I had a ring that was sort of like this, and that sold so quick. Coach is a good seller, and it's a good brand. So for the Coach necklace, we'll do 30. All right. So I was looking this up. One of these is listed on Etsy for $95. I could only find out a little bit of information on this. It is called the 10-turn bead and bone artisan. It's made in rural India. The money does go to help the villagers and the craftspeople, and so it is mixed between bone, glass, and acrylic and other materials. It is super sassy, super fun. I love the story behind it. For this, we can do, let's do 10. All right, then we got Juicy. This is super pretty. Look at that. A lot of bling on that. Juicy Couture with a little Juicy tag. Here, let me flip it over so you can see the back. It is a bracelet. Let me get that measurement for you guys. I'm a little bit out of practice now, taking that time off, but it was really needed, and I may be doing less videos. I'm not sure. It all depends on the progress with some issues, so I will keep you guys, I will let you guys know. Okay, so this can go anywhere from 9 inches to 7 inches. It is Juicy Couture. Really pretty bracelet. Let's do the Juicy for 20. Then we got Kate Spade, New York. It's upside down. There we go. Isn't that fun? Look at that bangle. I love it. It is the Dune, D-U-N-E, wide bracelet. I love it. Let me get you a measurement. This looks pretty small. I couldn't get my big old hand through there. So it is just at, I would say, no more than 2.5. Really pretty. Let's give you the measurement across while we're here. So 1 1/4. It is super pretty. So for this Kate Spade Dune bracelet, let's do 25. Okay, then we got Jenny Bird, and this is a mixed material bracelet. I like the thicknesses here, the chunkiness reminds me of the 80s, And it is adjustable. It is marked Jenny Bird right here. So this will fit most wrists. So for the Jenny Bird, let's do 10. Okay, then we got a ring. This is silver tone. It's pretty. It's a dome ring. It is a size 8 1/4. Let me bring that up so you can see that. Pretty design. No maker's mark or anything inside. Looks like there's some wear right here. Some pitting. Super pretty. So size 8 and about 1/4, I would say, 8 to an 8 1/4, and we can do that for 5. Then we got these earrings. Now I know these are not marked, but I am 98% sure that they are Kate Spade, but since they are not marked, I cannot say that. I have had this style exactly in the past. I mean exact, but since they are not branded Kate Spade, I am not going to sell them as Kate Spade, but they are gorgeous. They have a lot of sparkle to them. They're a gray clear. So we're going to do these earrings for 8. Beautiful. Then we've got some rose gold infinity circle earrings. Let me show you the back. These are for pierced. Bring that up. So I love seeing that rose gold. I think it's just such a pretty design. For these earrings, let's do 5. I love these as well. We've got rhinestones here on the front and rhinestones inside, so you can glitter no matter which way someone is looking at you. So these are hoops. They are not branded anywhere. And it looks like all of the stones are there. So for these silver tone hoops, let's do $5. Okay, and these, I believe, are Trina Turk sample earrings. I have received these before, a few years ago. Trina Turk items are very popular here in my area, and I had received a bunch of earrings, and these are identical to them. So they are graduated gold tone. They're not marked, but designer Trina Turk, I believe. But since I cannot say that for 100% sure, since it's not marked, even though they're a sample and they're not on a card, we're going to do these for 5. So beautiful. And then we've got Sugar Fix Faux Druzy. I love these. These have the black, the purple, the pink. So the Aurora Borealis, or Aura as they're called, earrings. Really pretty. Bring those up. I like those. Those are good for almost any outfit. And we'll do those for 5. So let me know, you guys. I think this was a great lot. You know, you don't have to get sterling silver and gold all the time. It's nice, believe me, I know. But, yeah, I think this was a really nice mix. And this is kind of the stuff that I am used to from ThredUP that we used to get a few years back. So, if it's going to stay like this, then I will be for sure getting the 15 pieces. So, all right, let me know in the comment what your favorite pieces are. And if you are interested, email me at timelessjewelbydebra@gmail.com. All the information is right down there. And how to contact me, a screenshot would be great. The name of the video, the date of the video, and the price, etc., etc. So, all right, you guys, thank you so much, and let me know in the comments. My favorite piece, Ballart. I like the Juicy. I think it's super cute, and the Kate Spade is just fun. I just wish I didn't have such a big hand. So, all right, you guys, I will talk to you real soon. Have a great one, and please take care of each other. Be well. Bye.